Hi friends. Hi. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you? I am good. What about you? I am also good. Thank you for asking. I greet you all in this wonderful and happiest moment. I am so happy and joy to be here with stand in front of you. Now I would like to share some beautiful words about myself. I am Pravalika. I have completed 10th recently in ZPHS Woodkur. I am from Ratna Skill Training Academy in Nellore. My hobbies are reading books, listening to Telugu songs. My likes are I like myself, I like my friends, I like my family. My aim is to become an IAS officer. My role model person is my father Murli Garu. He is a police officer. My inspiration person is RK Sar Garu. He is my trainer. My great strength is my hard work. Coming to my family, we are 4 members in our cute and beautiful family. There are my father, mother, brother and I. My father name is Murli Garu. He is a police officer. My mother name is Vani Garu. She is a housewife. My brother name is Hani. He is studying 7th class. My another brother name is Sai. He is studying 9th class. And I. Already all of you know very well about me. Thank you my dear friends for giving this wonderful opportunity.